Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the best crops to grow for beginners. If you're just starting out with gardening and want to ensure a successful harvest, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with all our gardening tips and tricks. Now, let's explore the top 10 crops that are ideal for beginner gardeners. Number 1 on our list is tomatoes. They are easy to grow, versatile, and perfect for beginners. Plus, who doesn't love homegrown tomatoes? Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach come in at number 2. They are low maintenance, quick growing, and packed with essential nutrients. Next up, we have herbs. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, growing herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary is a great way to add flavor to your dishes while enhancing your gardening skills. Now, let's talk about flowers. Marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers are beginner-friendly flowers that add beauty to your garden and attract beneficial pollinators. Moving on to root vegetables, carrots and radishes are fantastic choices. They grow relatively quickly, and there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of pulling fresh, crunchy veggies from the ground. Don't forget about climbing plants. Cucumbers, peas, and beans are not only fun to grow but also provide a bountiful harvest while maximizing your garden space. Now, who can resist the sweetness of homegrown strawberries? These berries are easy to grow and perfect for containers or hanging baskets. If you have a bit more space, why not try growing corn? It's a rewarding crop that adds height and beauty to your garden while giving you delicious ears of corn to enjoy. Speaking of fruit, dwarf fruit trees like apple, pear, or cherry are excellent choices for beginners. With a little care, you'll be harvesting your own juicy fruits in no time. Last but certainly not least, don't forget to experiment with your personal favorites. Whether it's peppers, squash, or even exotic varieties, growing what you love will make your gardening experience even more enjoyable. And there you have it, the best crops for beginners. Remember, gardening is a journey, and with a little patience and practice, you'll become a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.